to verify if A into A transpose and A transpose into A both give same answer or not. Okay, so I have a small 2 cross 2 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix of matrix A. I calculate A into A transpose. I calculate A transpose into A. Okay, this is symmetric. A into A transpose is symmetric. A transpose into A is symmetric. Both gives different answer, but they are symmetric. So this is the proof. All right. I'll share the code. You can actually change any to any number. So in fact I can make it 1 2 3 3 4 5. Now I made a square matrix to a rectangular matrix. Let's see. Okay, this is also symmetric, right? Yep. Okay, thank you. I'll share the code.